welcome to a vlog. I just wanted to get on here and share a few things with you all because Wednesday the 29th I was off for 2 days and I did do a lot of filming. I did take some pictures. Just wanted to get on here and share really quick a few things with you all about the Apple Guard, because I did mention here on my channel that I use Apple Guard to protect my Louis Vuitton items. Just wanted to get on here and share what Apple Guard is, but when I do decide to wear that particular bag, I will share with you all. I spray my bags with the Apple Guard. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Apple Guard so I can show you, and I'm gonna also link it down below, because if y'all didn't know, I do have an Amazon storefront. So even if you don't want to buy Apple Guard, just click on my storefront, because I do share a lot of my favorite things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Apple Guard so I can show you, so you can go ahead and purchase the Apple Guard. So yeah, like I said, this here I got off of Amazon. It's rain and stain repellent, protect from rain and stains. You take your item and you just spray it. It's wet going on and you like, oh my gosh, but it's fine because it do end up drying like you never sprayed it. Pieces, but I haven't sprayed my older pieces in a while, so I'm not sure if you have to spray your item every so often. I use to protect my Louis Vuitton. Not sure if it's like bulletproof, you haul. I don't know, but I just know that it's supposed to protect the item. Now, I think it's best to use this on your brand new items, because if it's already stained, I'm not sure how that works. So that's why I plan to use this on my newest item. Moving on to my next Amazon item, you all. If you do makeup videos here, when I do like makeup tutorials, because with this particular clip, it won't leave like a crease in your hair, wigs or whatever. If y'all didn't know, I do wear wigs a lot. I do have hair. I will say when I did get my hair done, I did notice that my hair is really thin, done in so long, and I do not take care of my hair, so that's why I'm not tripping. It's my fault. So right now I'm trying to grow back the thickness of my hair. If not, it's okay, because again, I do always wear wigs. It's really good for if you, like I said, want to pin your hair back, you want to do makeup tutorials, or even if you want to do hair tutorials. Again, this hair is on Amazon. I will link this also down below. On to my next favorite, you all. This hair is by Native. This here is my very first time ever using this particular brand, and when I tell you, baby, I am in love. By Melissa. It's tie-dye vanilla cupcake, and it smells exactly like a vanilla cupcake. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good, you all. And I am going to purchase another one, like, for the packaging. And then when I went to smell it, I'm like, ooh, I like. So yeah, you all, this here is also a favorite. I did get this from Target. On to my next Target item. This here is the it's a razor, and it's by the Flamingo brand razor. And it's crazy because I used to buy Dollar Tree razors. I still do, but I used to use to shave my underarms, my legs, or whatever. But my daughter, you know, every so often she goes to Target and buys all her personal things, and for some reason she buys the good stuff. So she purchased this. Like, okay, this here is not $1. This was like $10 or $12. She got it. I like the fact that you can hang it in your shower, because that's why I don't have the actual razor, because it's in my shower. Oh my gosh, it's so much better than a Dollar Tree razor. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a Dollar Tree razor, but y'all, you have to purchase one of these and you'll see what I'm saying. Extra blade, I haven't used the extra blade as of yet, you all, but when I tell you I love this here razor. The colors, I have the purple, I think my daughter has the pink, but y'all, I love this here razor. Moving on to my next item. This here is by the L brand. I did get this from Target. This here is a phone wash It's no fragrance. I do use this down in my vagina. I'm saying it, I'm sorry, but I use this down in my vagina area, you all, because it has no scent. Helps to keep your pH balance. So yeah, I do use this. This here is my new one because I have one in my shower already. I didn't want to bring that because I just didn't, so I just grabbed my backup. I got this here from Target, one of the clean brands at Sephora. This was given to us to try. So far so good. I do use regular deodorant, you all, I'm gonna be honest, I do, but you know, when you given something, it's like, okay, let's try something new, like one of the deodorants that don't have like all the bad chemicals. So yeah, so far so good. So yeah, if you want to look into switching out your deodorant to something more clean, I do recommend this here brand. I do recommend this here particular brand. They do have like a body wash and lotion or whatever. The lotion and stuff is nice, but I'm that person, I like a scent to my lotion, so I'm not sure about the lotion and all the other things with that particular brand, which is the Summer Fridays sunscreen. I tell you, I love this here sunscreen so far, given to me in my training products, and I love it a whole lot. Like, I love it so far. I have been using this for about a week now, and I will say I love it. I will be taking this here on vacation. It's a sunscreen. It did just come out, so yeah, I highly recommend this. And before this, I was using Supergoop. I do really enjoy Supergoop. I do use the Unseen sunscreen. I did purchase this myself because I purchased one of the Sephora favorites. It was just one of the Sephora favorites sunscreen bag, and it came with this and a whole bunch of other sunscreens. This has been my favorite until I was introduced to this. Now I like this one. So these here are like my top two favorites, so I would recommend either one. My next item, this here is the Laneige lip balm, you all. I love my Laneige lip balm. I did have a Tatcha one that I am completely out of, the one that was like in a cute little jar. I have to use this because I always, like in my bathroom area, go in with a lip balm. I have like a little spatula. These here lip balms I don't carry in my purse, only because when I'm out, I don't want to take my finger, even though you don't have to use a finger. I don't know, I just don't want to use this out when I'm out and about, so this is why it's always in my bathroom. To another favorite of mine, one of my Sephora friends recommended this particular item to do makeup at Sephora, and she was like raving about this particular item, and that she used this here on like the girls that was coming in around prime time. Size waterproof setting spray. Y'all, when I tell you, when I put this shit on, my makeup don't move. Like, the shit don't move. She never lies. So let me just try the small, you know, the mini, which is 15. So I will be repurchasing the full size. I'm not sure. I think when I looked online, the full size was sold out, and we didn't have the full size in store. If you're not oily or combination, you just don't want your makeup to move, I highly recommend this here particular face spray. So my next favorite is the Hourglass Veil, you all. Hands down is my favorite setting powder. Into switching over to 100% clean makeup, but I will say when I do purchase any type of setting powder, I will not purchase setting powder that has talc in it. Would cause creasing under your eyes. That's what I was told from the lady from Hourglass. Say that. Now, as far as my other makeup, I already know half of the makeup I buy is not clean, but I love makeup, so, and I'm still here and I'm alive. But far as setting powder, I will not purchase setting powder that has talc in it. I'm just saying, I just won't. Well, I love this here little power puff. That's what I call it. It's not called a power puff, but that's what I call it. Pocket puff, but I call it a power puff, because this is what I use to go here under my eyes, because as you can see, the way the item is shaped, it fits perfectly under your eyes. And I love this here particular power puff to go, you know, to get up under my eye area, and your under eyes look flawless. Have issues with creasing, I would recommend getting something like this, and then also switching over to the Hourglass setting powder. Now they do have a small version of this, but for me, I was given the small version, but I was just like, I'm gonna go ahead and buy the big one. It just made sense because the small one was like really small, and I just didn't feel like being bothered. Moving on to my next favorite. This here just came out. This here is the Charlotte Bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. I love this so much. I am wearing it now. I love this. And if I didn't mention, I did get the color 310. Moving on to my last two items, which is a eye cream that I really like. Again, this was given to me. This was given to us in our training products, and it is a eye cream, and I like it a whole lot because this in my skincare fridge, you all. Anytime any eye creams that I buy, I always keep them in my skincare fridge because good, like it feels so good when you go and put it on after it comes out of your refrigerator. Now if you don't have a skincare fridge, that's okay, you can use your actual refrigerator. This hair metal applicator, and what you do is you press product at the top. I'm not sure if you can see it. So the product comes out at the top of this hair tip, and what I do is I'll squeeze it under my eyes, and once the product is on my face, I'll take this hair flat cold side and just blend it in, and oh my gosh, you all, it feels so amazing under my eye area, you all. Oh my goodness. And you can put this on and also put on your concealer, but most of the time when I use this at night when all my makeup is off and I just want to hydrate my under eye area, you all. I love this hair stuff so much. On to my last item. It is this here Just Water. I love this hair water because I don't like drinking plain water other than Fiji water, and this here comes in different flavors. Like it comes in mint, lemon, raspberry, blackberry, and I also like them because they're affordable, because it's like $2-3. This here water I think is like $1 and some change depending on where you get it from. This water so much. And on this app, my daughter, she scans a lot of stuff to see if it's good or not. This here is 100%, and a lot of things that we scan is never 100%. So this here does not have nothing bad in it at all, because we scanned some other flavor water that I really like, and it didn't have like really good, it didn't have a good score, and I didn't understand why. So this here was 100%. Last and final item, I think I said the water was my last, but I forgot about this. And a few wigs from this here particular brand. I did do an unboxing and a wig review, but I haven't uploaded that video as of yet. But so beautiful. Like, it's crazy because I done purchased 3 wigs from this company. 3 wigs. I have one coming sometime soon. If it comes before my vacation, I do plan to wear that particular wig. I do want to learn how to bleach the knots, get scalp and all that, because I did purchase like the developer and the powder, and then I purchased this here lace tint. Plan to do a little more with these particular wigs. Now these wigs do cost a little more, because I just wanted to let you know Love Me has some really good wigs. I will try and leave a link down below for you all, because I'm just telling you, they are beautiful. I love my wig, the one with the bang me hair, and the other wig I haven't showcased as of yet because I have to like kind of fix it. If you enjoyed this here really quick favors, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. That's right, you got to click on that notification bell. You know why? So you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.